Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. You are in a lovely places where we do really lovely recipes, delicious ones, yummy ones. Okay, today what you're doing is sweet potato bites. All right, so I have my sweet potato. I've already peeled it. Okay, so I'm going to cut them into just chunks, not really big ones though, and then I'm going to boil them, and then we will boil them and then add some stuff to it, make it nice. Okay, so you are all welcome. It's sweet potato day today, so just come along with me and you will love this recipe. It's a very easy recipe, very easy. Just add some flour and that'll be it. So I'm going to boil these, okay, and then I'll take it from there. So guys, I have boiling water on the stove, so I want to boil my sweet potatoes. So I'm going to put that in. If you do it this way, it doesn't take that long to cook. I'll just place my sweet potatoes in there. Then I'll cover it. Okay, so it just take about 10-15 minutes. So guys, my sweet potato is cooked, so I'm trying to mash it. Just mash it nicely and smoothly. So guys, I have these spices here. I've really mashed my sweet potato. So I have some chopped spring onions. I love spring onions. Okay, I have some salt, have some paprika, and then some powdered ginger. I have some powdered onions, powdered garlic, and some crushed chilies, okay, to make it nice. And trust me, it tastes really good. So I'll put all of them in. Just give it a mix. Smells amazing. What I'm doing next is to add some plain flour, okay, just do it bit by bit. So guys, this is our dough, but I want a little bit of nuttiness in the bites that I'm doing, so I'm adding a bit of coconut flour, just a small bit of coconut flour. Smells so good. This is optional, okay, so if you don't like that, you shouldn't use it, but I just love the taste. So guys, this is our dough. I put some flour on my wet top, so I'm just going to roll it. Just roll it to the thickness that you prefer. So what I'm going to do with this is cut that into squares. Okay, you can use any shape at all. So guys, this is our sweet potato bites. So what you're going to do, you're going to fry it. So guys, you have hot oil on the stove, so you want to fry our sweet potato bites. So guys, with this one, I've really made it so thin, okay? Alright, the other one was a bit heavier. This one is a bit thinner, so I'm going to fry that as well. So guys, as you can see, this is our sweet potato bite. It tastes really delicious. You have to try this recipe. It's really lovely. Okay, so if you like this recipe, you have to give me a thumbs up. All right, and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications, right, so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. This is absolutely delicious, so you have to try this recipe. Thank you. Bye.